Hey YouTube, it's Formal 51 here. Alright, this is a nice CaseIH 9370 that belongs to a friend of mine I do some work for. We're going something new I'm trying here. I'm going to do the voiceover thing. So this is a 1998 CaseIH 9370 full drive, of course. Like I say, it's a 1998 9300 series four-wheel drive tractor. And this is built at the Fargo, North Dakota plant. Price on it was about $139,000 and some change in '99. And let's see, like I said, we're getting up here, and it has the N14 Cummins 6-cylinder engine in it. And he's had it painted a couple years ago. I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, I think now, but kind of just looking over the engine. Like I say, it's got a big old Cummins in it. And tires are in pretty good shape. He's got duals all the way around. He pulls a pan with this. He has a construction business. And there's an air cleaner. So he doesn't have the windows tinted, but you which it probably needs to on it, but the air does work in it. So he does have the, I guess you'd call it, wet line on the back. Basically, say I think all it ever did was pull a pan. But the engine on it, it's about 360 horsepower engine. PTO is about 310. The drawbar was 286, and yeah, walking around the other side, I didn't show the pan. If we really want nothing spectacular about the pan. But we'll go in here on the back side and look at the transmission. It's supposed to be, I think, a 12-speed. I don't know if this is the power shift or not. I knew they had 3 different transmissions in them. It's a pretty good sized transmission. But yeah, all I had was my phone this time to record with. I just happened to see it when I was down there cutting near his place. So and right there I'm pointing at it, doesn't have all that deaf crap on it. The big muffler that's the size of a Buick. We're on the other side of the engine now. Looking up, it's a pretty good sized fan blade. Like I say, it's the CaseIH 9370 1998 model. And it's a pretty good size axle in front there. The clutch, see the clutch back there, or that's the brake. Actually, the brake, I'm sorry. Turbo. Because he keeps the stuff pretty clean. It's a full set of weights on the front. Steiger builds these tractors for CaseIH, and actually CaseIH owns, I think it is what they own them now or something like that. So, but we'll go ahead and climb in the cab here. Pretty neat looking glass on the front of the cab. I kind of like that. It gives you a pretty good view. And there's a truck out there with mowing. Nothing real fancy in here. I think he's got a radio, and that's about it. Well, he did have a radio. Maybe he took it off, but yeah, nothing real fancy. And these are some aftermarket gauges. I was just looking at those. But yeah, nothing really spectacular inside the cab. But you can see there's no, where I'm pointing at, no restriction of the view. And this is pre-def. So you don't have all that emissions crap that's all where you can't see anything. This is looking out the back of the cab onto the pan. Like I say, he uses his own construction. He doesn't use it that much, but he says somebody might sell it soon, but he'll probably hang on to it for a while. But it's a really nice view out of the cab. Hardly any restrictions. blind spots, I guess. So you got a pretty good view of all the duals all the way around. There's the brakes, I guess, and clutch and brake and the foot throttle. I'll go ahead and give her. I'm probably stepping out now, but yeah, it's he's supposed to be taking it to a job here sometime soon, and when he does, I'll get some video of it operating. But until then, this is just sort of a little walk around video and kind of testing out the new voiceover. So, all right, thanks for watching.